Now.
Hey everyone, we literally just got our HelloFresh delivery. I wasn't here last week when it came, Tom had it, so I haven't actually opened the box yet. So we'll see what it looks like. I am a bit disappointed that it's still not the recyclable styrofoam, even though it's probably better to be this. Boxes, because I feel like it's a lot of cardboard, but at the same time, is it better than going to a grocery store? I do not know. But here are our ingredients, and this week it's only one box. Last week we had 2 different boxes. And our recipes for this week, we've got pork schnitzel with mushroom sauce. We've got quick ponzu sweet chili chicken with cabbage salad. We have beef and roast veggie couscous. Veal thing, and herby pork sausages, and an Irish roast chicken burger, which, being Irish, I've never heard of a peppercorn gravy roast chicken burger that's Irish, but it sounds really good. And it looks like the potatoes are the only thing you roast. And then we've got some beans or something. Banging body. Never heard of them before. Wine. Kitchenware has $15 off. That's pretty cool. And something about supplements. So yeah, that is and all the meat is in a different bag. So separate.
That's big.
So yeah, that is our HelloFresh box. Week 1, we've used all of the meals except for one because we had a takeaway night and a leftovers night. They feed a family of 4. They're okay sizes, but I would say that we tried U-Plated a few years ago because our friend actually used to be the photographer for U-Plated before she moved away. And their portion sizes were massive. I'm not sure if they're still big, but I might try a couple of different meal subscription boxes. I do love how I don't have that decision fatigue with it. I do feel like some of it's a bit repetitive, like we've had pork schnitzel twice in a row, but that's because that's what we've chose. There is roughly 40 different things to choose from each week, and you have an app on your phone. But it's week 1, honest review. Maybe I might film a clip of us cooking one of the nights with it. But the food's nice. Last night's one was a taco thing. It was ready so quick. That was awesome. That was really awesome. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update next week. And I'm gonna let you go because my bacon behind me for breakfast is probably getting burnt. So that's HelloFresh unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. I might put in a link below if you guys want to try it, because I think we can give you a free box or something. So yeah, I will put a link in the video down below for that, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.